Can I get more social media followers with Google Ads? So, what you are looking for is more social proof. Facebook, Instagram, and all these other social platforms will have their own advertising platform where you can get followers from there. So, if you want to get more followers on YouTube, then you can run on discovery ads, or you can put up high quality content. So, right now, I'm investing time, energy, resources in doing this live stream for free twice a week, right? Then we also upload videos at least once every weekday. We're putting in a lot of resources um, in content marketing and not necessarily Google Ads. But then we also, with the ads, we put fuel on the fire and accelerate that process so that my message is seen and heard by many more people. And you can do that with ads. So instead of waiting 2 months 2 years to get the same results, I can run ads and get the same results in six months or so. So absolutely yes, it's a great way to increase your brand awareness, branding, generate more leads, and eventually more sales with using Google Ads.